to say about this?
Leaving the courthouse after her arrest, Milwaukee Judge Hannah Dugan said nothing. Accused by federal authorities of obstructing or impeding a proceeding of the United States. In this case, that Dugan tried to prevent immigration agents in the courthouse from arresting and deporting this man, Eduardo Flores Ruiz, as part of a U.S. crackdown on illegal migrants.
You're not going to believe this. Takes the defendant and the defense attorney back in her chambers, takes them out a private exit and tells them to leave.
The U.S. Attorney General slamming Dugan and other judges, suggesting they're wrongly stalling or trying to block the stepped-up deportations.
They're deranged is all I can think of. I cannot believe. I think some of these judges think they are beyond and above the law, and they are not.
But there's already pushback on the way Dugan was arrested, said to have been by multiple law enforcement officers. The arrest documents describe the scene inside the courthouse, and evidence suggesting Dugan did indeed try to help Ruiz escape federal agents. He'd been deported once before and was in court facing domestic violence charges. But protesters worry that in seeming to make a show of her arrest, regardless of what she did, federal authorities aim to intimidate other judges to ensure none stand in the way of future deportations.
Judge Hannah Dugan's arrest is not just about her, right? This is about striking fear in the heart of the judiciary across the entire country.
But the U.S. Attorney General is having none of it, underlining any obstruction of justice, no matter by who, will not be tolerated. Judge Dugan's lawyer said in a statement, Dugan regrets and protests her arrest and will defend herself vigorously. Paul Hunter, CBC News, Washington.